I'm meteorologist Laura Thomas. Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. Beautiful day, warm day across the valley as we hit those mid and upper 90s, and will be a mild one tonight as we head into the low 70s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Look again for mostly clear conditions, light breezes tomorrow as well, around 5 to 10 miles per hour as you look at this hour by hour forecast. But temperatures are going to warm up a little bit more. 97 as you get into that noon hour, with a high coming up Sunday at 101, and we'll keep those upper 90s in the forecast right through sunset before we begin to cool just a little bit. So going to be a little bit warmer coming up Sunday. Plans outdoors, make sure you remember your heat safety rules and you're staying safe out there. If you have plans to get some exercise in, running, hiking, biking, anything like that, make sure that you start early. You'll want to finish by 10 a.m. before those temperatures really begin to climb, or wait closer to sunset, and stay hydrated. Make sure that you're wearing sunblock. You can burn in just about 15 minutes when we have very high UV indexes like we're going to have Sunday without it. So again, stay safe out across the valley and south central Arizona over the weekend. Temperatures tonight will be in the 30s north, 50s in Sedona tomorrow morning, 49 Prescott, where we will have those 60s and 70s back here closer to home, 63 in Tucson tomorrow morning, headed up to 98 there tomorrow, 101 in Gila Bend. Your travels take you west to Lake Havasu, 101, 103 Bullhead City, and then look at those temperatures. Going to be a beautiful Sunday afternoon for Flagstaff in the 70s, and a warm one in Sedona getting close to 90 tomorrow. Here's your forecast. Glendale 100, 99 Casa Grande. Again, Scottsdale hits 99. It is going to be a hot one on Memorial Day coming up Monday. We'll already see those 90s by 9. At noon, we're in the upper 90s, 104, 105 degrees for an afternoon high. So the hottest day of the week is going to be Monday as we keep those triple digits, though we stay dry despite just a little more cloud cover in that Monday forecast. As you look at Tuesday, 103, we start to see temperatures drop just a little bit, but still going to be very warm out there. Breezes return Wednesday and Thursday. Morning low temperatures stay pretty mild. We'll see those upper 90s Thursday and Friday before we're back up in the triple digits on Saturday.